Want to take your gameplay to the next level in Zombie Tsunami? Let me show you how to buy upgrades and boost your horde's power. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy upgrades in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Zombie Tsunami app on your device and make sure you're on the main menu screen. On the main menu, find the Market button. Tap on it. Here, look for the Upgrades tab, which is in the third icon in the list. This is where you can enhance items like power-ups, bonuses, and abilities. Scroll through the list of upgrades such as enhanced power-ups like the Giant Zombie, Ninja Zombie, or the Gold Magnet. Each upgrade will display its price in coins or gems. Tap on the upgrade you want to buy. A confirmation screen will appear showing the price. If you have enough coins or gems, tap Buy to confirm the purchase. Once purchased, the upgrade is automatically applied to your gameplay. You'll now experience the boosted effects during your runs. And that's it. You're now ready to dominate Zombie Tsunami with your upgraded powers. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.